Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today we're playing laser tag. I got that for Christmas. If you can't see it. But yeah, me and Riley are gonna play with these, and it's gonna be fun.
This.
Okay, Riley's got it now. There we go. It's tag. Comes open. Not. Alright. There's our laser tag thing, and it comes with a little crawly spider, which is gonna be fun.
Spider. And there's more.
It turns on. Yeah, it's dead right now, so we'll play with that in the next video if you want to see that.
The next video, I thought we were playing with it this video.
No, the next video we're gonna shoot the spider. Today we're battling. All right, so.
Okay, so I'm
ready?
orange.
Okay, so Riley's gonna be orange.
Orange.
I'm gonna choose mine. Let's see. I'm gonna get green. Oh, I think this spider works.
What should this video be called?
It's gonna be called laser tag.
Oh, okay. That kind of makes sense, I guess. Hurry up!
Hey, I know, we want to get back to the fun, right? Alright, let me just get mine. I'm gonna be green. Oh, if I'm gonna be green, then I'm gonna have to be blue. Okay. You're red?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna be, person blue. I'll just put this back.
So we're gonna shoot the spider and attack each other?
In the next video. In the next video. That's gonna be epic, because if the spider gets you, it'll kill you. But you'll have to watch out for us killing each other. This one will just be us killing each other. Let's see if you get a nice view over here. There we go. Alright. Turn it on.
Alright, this is gonna look stupid since we don't have cameras that we can stick onto our guns, but it's...
Oh, you want to... So, we have our little brother that's going to join to us today. Yeah. Aiden, what's your name, Aiden? What's your name?
I think you already told him.
Oh, yep. His name's
You
Aiden.
said, what's your name, Aiden? What's your name, Aiden? I think you already told him that.
Oh, I guess I did, didn't I?
Yeah, kind of did.
Alright.
I
You
think
guys ready?
He's a wild monkey today. So, yeah.
Alright, there's your gun, Aiden.
Not yet!
Not yet! Okay, everybody reset. Okay, I'm gonna be blue, yeah. Blue. Okay, no shooting yet. No shooting yet. Alright, Aiden? Here, I need to change your... So you're red, Riley. You're red. Alright. Okay, we're gonna find our positions, and then we're gonna fire, okay? We're gonna do a 3, 2, 1, and then before we can ever shoot our triggers, okay? Aiden, do you want your gun? Alright, ready, everybody? Alright, we're gonna go.
For a minute, okay? Bye-bye, you mom.
I should probably... Okay, I'm gonna be over here in this corner. Okay, you guys, ready?
Wait, we're not ready yet.
3, 2, 1. Kill! Utilize the enemy!
I'm dead.
I'm dead! Guys, I'm dead! I'm dead!
I'm dead. I win with half the health.
Riley wins!
Blinking.
Alright, that's all for... Should we do another battle? We'll do one more battle for us, you guys.
Okay.
We'll do one more
battle, you
Alright.
Hey, don't come.
They're actual people! He doesn't have any empathy. Alright. If you guys want to see us do something else, comment down below and we'll suggest it. Alright, I'm going to start out with my same responsibility. Oh, no, Riley's already there. Alright. Okay, and 3. Wait.
I'm gonna go over here.
Yeah, Riley has to do that. Okay. Ready? Set. 3, 2, 1. Utilize the enemy. Kill! I just got a kill! I'm out. If you guys want to see this again, comment down below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye, you cuckoo. Pew.
Okay, bye.